Good morning, children. Today let us start with a new chapter in our English literature, which is a true story of sea turtles. The author of this lesson is Bhau Katdare, who is an activist working or a volunteer working in Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, which is an organization run for the protection of wildlife in Sahyadri Ranges, which is to the west of our state, and also they work for the betterment or for the protection of marine animals in the on the Konkan region. In the Konkan region of Maharashtra. So let us see what this lesson has to offer us, what kind of message we learn from this lesson. Here we begin, a true story of sea turtles. We were surveying the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. White-bellied sea eagles are the birds that feed on fish. As we roamed the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. Enquiries with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs. This came as a surprise. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all these years. We decided to study this unusual occurrence further. We learned that the beach where we had found the egg shells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month. After people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. But what we learned further shocked us to the core. Shocked us to the core means shocked our or shook our hearts. Okay. So then, what does this first paragraph tell us? So it tells that the author and the other volunteers of the same organization and some native people were taking a stroll on the beach that one morning. And while they were walking on the beach, they found or they noticed some eggshells. And after some inquiry, they learned that the eggshells belonged to the sea turtles. So then why now? Because the author had never seen them. He was a frequent visitor and he had never seen them before on the beach. So why now? So after further inquiry, he learned that the area was restricted for the people. Means it was sealed for the people. And why all of a sudden there was a need to seal the beach for the people? Because of the recent incident that took place there. So the incident was this, that there were some people who were engaged in smuggling of silver bricks. They were caught, and after that the government decided to seal that area, and after it was sealed, where no person could enter this area, it seemed that the sea turtles found this place more safe than before, and therefore the sea turtles and their eggs both were safe. So now it seemed, looking at the eggshells, it seemed that the hatchlings had come out safe and now they were somewhere in the sea. So then after that, the author tried to find more information regarding the sea turtles, and what information he got actually shook him to the core. So what was that? Let us see. Turtles nest along the entire coast of our state. So turtles nest means what? Do they build nests like the birds on trees? Impossible. So then what? So they make shallow pits in the ground. This is what is called by nestling. So they build nest in the ground, and they are shallow pits where they bury their eggs. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. So combing the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. What does this mean? So that means there are some people in the village who actually clean the beaches with an intention of gaining some valuable things in the morning. Okay. So then, when the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. Okay, so for this reason, the people come on the beach every morning. For what? To find the trail or the track of the sea turtles. To find where does the female sea turtle lay her eggs. Okay, and then let us find out what do they do of the turtle eggs. So when the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. Although the pits are shallow, but they are still a little deep. How deep? Half a meter deep down the ground. They dig up the nest and steal all the 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. These eggs are then either eaten or are sold in the market. So this is the reason why some people in every village, they carried out the combing activity on the beaches just to find out the eggs of the sea turtles to be eaten or to be sold in the market. So for this reason, this ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. That means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. So even tigers were considered to be endangered species, which still they are considered as endangered species. Why? Because the number of tigers is actually very, very less. According to the survey done this year in 2020, the number of tigers that are there in India is 2,967 only. Imagine 2,697 tigers in India alone. So this is a very small number. This was in the updates that I have tried to gain. So I just tried going back, and found out the number of tigers in the year 2006. It was just half than what it is today of the tigers. It was just 1,411 in the year 2006, and now it has doubled and a little more, which is 2,697. So it's actually shocking to see that our national animal tiger is in danger, and the government had to implement a schedule to protect this wild animal called tiger. And along with tiger, now even sea turtles have been involved or have been included under this protection, so that they are protected. They do not become extinct. That means turtles. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried out in a secret, hush-hush manner. This information was distressing. We began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. So now the author is determined to take care of the sea turtles, because he no longer believes or thinks that these creatures were still safe, even in spite of the scheme or the schedule or the act that was implemented by the government. He still thought that the sea turtles were still not safe, and he wanted to help them, to save them. So let us see what he did. So we will try to find out more about the sea turtles in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.